Tell Red, the grown-ass teenager here, and today I just put together a bunch of videos of the inmates cooking meals, the way they cook meals, on desks and beds, even out the toilets, all the stuff that has been used over and over and over again for mad years, with thousands or maybe even millions of inmates occupying these same spaces. But I also have some jail trays in here. And y'all let me know if you would rather eat these jail trays or eat the food that the inmates prepare for each other. Drop it in the comments, because I want to know. I want to know. And I've seen those trays in real life. And yeah, I'm going to eat the food that the inmates are preparing. Let's watch the video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I do.
Alright, baby, tell them where you from and where you grilling from. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, Avalon did it. We at CIW right now. Grilling these burritos.
Yeah. Pro Club got to get out the way, though.
That's good, eat good,
Yeah.
all that good shit.
Eat side.
That's my burrito.
How many you getting? How many you getting, blood? You gotta go. Stay professional on the walk, though, blood. What you talking about? Now go back to where you went with it. Oh, a little grill.
CIW got these grilled burritos.
What's
yeah,
that?
fully loaded. Yeah, east side shit.
Oh, east side.
Chicken, sauce, all that fucking stuff.
What the fuck you mean?
Y'all see what's going on?
I'm about to, it look a little rust, but it's good. It's still hitting right.
Pizza, man. Showing the oven, man. Real loud oven. Man, that's how we making a pizza.
Hey man, say man, another day man.
You know what I'm talking about? This is what we do, man. You know what I'm talking about? We drizzling on that bitch, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Your bitch.
Cross, man.
That's your bitch.
Man. That's her on the plate, man.
That's your
You know
bitch.
what I'm talking about? Don't stop, man.
Your bitch.
All through there, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Man, did you come right here?
All through here. Yeah, man. It's about to be crazy.
Yeah, man. You know it's another day, man. I say, hey, man. Eat.
Every day,
Eat. Yeah, man. We just doing it, man. My nigga doing his thing. The guys eat. A bag is made. It's another day, man. Saturday. Y'all thought y'all was the only motherfuckers went to the college game? Yeah, we pulled up too. There's sauce back there. Y'all see it. Y'all see sauce. Y'all see sauce? Yeah. We went to the SC game. We went to the Utah game. We was at the Nebraska game. Yeah, we pulled up. And we had a food sale today, brother.
Don't play. It's still here.
And we had a food sale
It's
today.
still here.
It's chicken wraps and chicken crunches and shit in here,
shit
man.
here.
Pulled pork, man.
shit still
It's
here.
brisket and all type of shit in
She's
here.
still in grill, man. You know what I'm talking about, man.
You did. Yeah, y'all see this shit, man. We went to the football game today, man. We really got Lay's original, man. We really got barbecue, man. Let's eat, man. It's hot. It's hot. Get him in there. Get him in there. Get him in there. Line him up. Line him up. Line up a duck. Line up a duck. Uh-oh. Line up a duck. Get him in there. Get him in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, get him in there. Line up a duck. Line up a duck.
Thing about it, bro. Y'all niggas think I'm finna eat this shit, bro. Man, y'all niggas crazy as a bitch, man. Y'all niggas think I'm back here eating this. Look at that. Y'all think I'm back here eating this shit? The fuck? This shit's crazy, B.
Man, I'm over 200 motherfucking pounds, and this what they call breakfast. Stop playing, man.
You know what I'm saying? And then there's some water like this. And I plug that thing up. Yeah, and that's what boil it though. You know, I probably leave this in here for about 20 minutes. That thing get good and juicy. Look at that. We're gonna check that out a little bit later. But this is the bug.
One word. Ingenuity. Ingenuity. When there ain't no way, you figure out a way. So when there ain't no way, you figure out a way. You come from a bloodline of ingenuity. You took scraps and made it into a delicacy that they pay big money to eat now.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that? I mean, just get a look at that.
A cup.
A cop. Oh, where is he? I'd like to look at him.
Yeah, this what we doing, man. This what we doing.
What we doing over here, motherfucking McDowell.
Yeah, man, real quesadillas, man, about rah-rah from the mill, baby. You know how we going, eating good in the fed, man. Real niggas stand up, you hear me? One time, man, good solid in my nigga mob.
So the chef.
She from the
Chef Cisco. Yeah. Jailhouse Benihana's, man.
Jailhouse Benny's.
Yeah.
This how we
Hibachi
doing.
style. This what we doing, man.
Hibachi shit.
No, these are not for jail. We send these to the streets.
Yeah, man, this shit real.
I see what the fuck going on, man. This shit ain't nothing, man. This shit right, man. Nachos, all this shit. Nachos, quesadillas, pizza, all this shit.
Yeah, we eat every day, all day, man. Eat, nigga, let it stick to your ribs.
Shit light, man. Shit ain't about
We
nothing.
locked up, we ain't fucked up.
Opening weekend, man. NFL Sunday, man. This is what we do. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Y'all see this shit, man.
Hear that? That's straight holiday music, man.
Whole bird singing. Look at that skin.
Bronze and beautiful. Hold the plate steady.
Got it. Let it drip first.
Yep, coming out clean.
All cooked in.
Look at that roll, man. She popping. Steam hitting the lens and everything.
Potato done yet? Nah, give it another minute. You see how soft it's getting. Hey, chat, y'all smell this through the phone?
Crab claw coming up. Boom. Color on that, bro. See?